Good morning, students. Welcome back to the social studies class. We were learning about the Plateau states now. The Plateau states which do not have a sea coast. We have already learned about the state of Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand. Once again, I want to explain about Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand. Madhya Pradesh is in the center of India and Bhopal is its capital. It has 51 districts and its bordering states are Rajasthan, UP, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. The main language is Hindi and farming is the main occupation and the people cultivate cotton, rice, sugarcane, etc. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. And about Jharkhand, the word Jharkhand means the land of forest, trees, bushes and jungles. Its capital is Ranchi. It has 24 districts. And the main languages are Hindi and Santhali. Two languages are there, Hindi and Santhali. The farmers cultivate ragi, wheat, millet, etc. Rivers like the Ganga, the Baraka, etc. flow through the state. Now, today I want to teach Telangana and Chhattisgarh. Firstly, Telangana. Telangana is a state in the southern India. It is the youngest state in India and its capital is Hyderabad. It is the youngest state and its capital is Hyderabad. Telangana was formed 2nd of June 2014. So it is the youngest state in India. It spreads over an area of around 1,12,000 square kilometer. It has 31 districts and population is around 35.5 million. Its bordering states are Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. These are its neighboring states. The main languages spoken here are Telugu and Urdu. Two languages are there, Telugu and Urdu. The main occupation is farming. Tobacco, sugarcane, rice, etc. are grown here by the farmers. Some important cities are Warangal, Khammam, etc. Rivers like the Godavari, the Krishna, etc. flow through this state. Bidri work is the speciality of Telangana. Bidri ware is a metal handicraft from Bidar near Hyderabad. The metal used is a blackened alloy of zinc and copper inlaid with thin sheets of pure silver. This much about Telangana. Its capital is Hyderabad. Its bordering states are Andhra Pradesh and its population is around 35.5 million. Its bordering states are Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. There are two languages, Telugu and Urdu. Then about Chhattisgarh. It is a heavily forested state in central India known for its temples and waterfalls. Its capital is Raipur. Chhattisgarh's capital is Raipur. It has 27 districts and population is around 26 million. Its bordering states are Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. These are its bordering states. The main language spoken here is Hindi. The language is Hindi only. Farmers here grow rice, betel, watermelon, wheat, etc. There is a big steel plant at Bhilai. Rivers like the Sabari, Mahanadi, the Indravati, etc. flow in the state. The capital of Chhattisgarh, Raipur, is the largest city in the state. The tourist places in Chhattisgarh are known for their raw beauty and freshness. There are a great amount of historical places. This has made the state a very popular tourist destination. These all are about the Chhattisgarh. Its capital is Raipur and it has 27 districts. Its population is around 26 million and its bordering states are Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. The main language spoken here is Hindi. So, dear children, this lesson is over. This is a small lesson. So, there is a homework. You have to read the lesson 3 times. Okay, that will be the homework for you. At next class, I will give the exercises. Okay, so you have to read the lesson 3 times. Tick the correct option and answer the following. Write true or false and match the column. I will give the next class. Okay, thank you.